I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and version so the steps you follow match the controls you see. Once done, back up the wallpaper folder or note the album name so you can restore images if needed. Now open Settings, go to Personalization or Display, then Wallpaper or Lock Screen. This puts you at the control panel where Auto Change lives. Make sure you have admin access if required, because some systems restrict scheduled changes to managed accounts. You now choose the image source and frequency, and this is where control matters. Pick a local folder, cloud album, or built-in collection, then set how often the wallpaper rotates, for example, every 5 minutes or once daily, because higher rates use more CPU and battery. Enable shuffle if you want random order, and turn on transition effects if the system supports them. Also filter out low-resolution files to avoid pixelation. This keeps the lock screen crisp and professional. You finish by applying changes and forcing a test, lock the screen or restart to trigger an immediate swap. If the wallpaper does not change, check permissions and background app restrictions. Make sure the Picker app can access the folder or cloud album. Also confirm file paths and supported formats. If problems persist, clear the personalization cache, remove and re-add the source, update the OS, or install a trusted third-party wallpaper manager as a fallback. That usually resolves stubborn sync and scheduling issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.